What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing, so let's get into the video. All right, guys, so as you can see here, I have a 2017 P floating head error coin, and I got it graded a few months ago. I don't know if some of you seen the video, some of you may have not, but I did an unboxing video for that, and I also did a discovery video of me finding this in a coin roll. And so as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. The head is detached from the body on the Lincoln Cent. And so this is called a floating head error. And it is very well known for the 2017 P and also the 2019 Lincoln Cent. And so I found this in a coin roll after I got a few penny rolls from the bank. And so I got it graded by ICG. It came back in AU58, and I also was able to find the 2019, and it is right here. So I want to do the unboxing to share with you guys to see what grade I got. I'm hoping for Mint State 63 or above, but I don't know. We will see. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so shout out to ICG for this. It says may be redeemed for one coin graded using ICG's 10-day service tier. And so they gave me this for my next, I guess, coin grade submission. And so I'll put this to the side. And here is the package. So let's open this up and see what I got. Mint State 65, guys. I am so happy with this grade. As you can see, the coin is red-brown. It's not as red as the other one was. But, I mean, Mint State 65 out of 70, you cannot beat it. I am so happy with this grade. And, yeah, now I have two. One for each year, the 2017 P and also the 2019. So I don't know if I'm going to sell them yet or add them to my collection. I've been up in the air, but we will see. And so, yeah, guys, I don't know if other coin grading submission companies consider these as, you know, valid errors, but ICG does. So whenever I come across these, I take them to ICG, and I've also seen other people who have had their floating head variation errors graded by ICG as well. And so hopefully NX or NGC or PCGS, they open it up as well, because I will be cracking these bad boys open and taking them to get graded by one of those. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.